In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your social media accounts using Hootsuite, a fantastic tool that helps streamline your social media management. If you're new to Hootsuite, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. To start, open your web browser and head over to hootsuite.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for today, let's assume you already have one. Simply log in using your credentials and you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and locate your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Social Accounts and Teams. This is where it all begins. Now, if you're adding a personal profile, click plus by just your trace account. This option is perfect for those of you looking to manage your personal pages. On the other hand, if you're handling a business account, choose Manage, then add a social network. Both routes will lead you to the same goal, adding your social networks. You'll be presented with a variety of social platforms to connect to, including Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and others. Simply select the one you'd like to add, and you'll be redirected to that network's login page. Enter your login details for the social media account you want to connect, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to grant permissions. Allow Hootsuite the necessary access to manage your posts, track analytics, and more. This may seem like a big step, but remember, it's essential for Hootsuite to effectively manage your accounts. If you have multiple accounts to connect, just repeat this process for each one. It's a seamless way to centralize your social media management. With your accounts all set up, navigate back to your Hootsuite home where the real fun begins. In the top right corner, you'll see an option to create post. Click on this and a new window will appear. Here, you'll choose which social accounts you want to post to. The beauty of Hootsuite is that it allows you to select multiple accounts so you can broadcast your message widely and efficiently. Now it's time to craft your post. Write your content and don't be shy to add images, videos, or links to make your post stand out. Once you're happy with your creation, you have two options. You can either choose Post Now to send your message out into the world immediately, or Schedule for Later, which is a fantastic feature for planning future content and maintaining a consistent presence. And there you have it. With this guide, you're ready to take full advantage of Hootsuite's features and elevate your social media management experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy posting.